This is a question from the ECET 2021. Here it says the metal pipe of 1 meter diameter. So diameter is equal to 1000 mm and fluid pressure, that is P, is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. If the permissible tensile stress, that is sigma T, is equal to 20 Newton per mm square, the thickness of the material is dash. So it's a pipe. So in case of that, you should be assigning this value to hoop stress. Hoop stress it should be assigned, because hoop stress is the maximum value of, is the maximum, or this about this our if we consider a section, the section which tells us that the failure is going to happen laterally along the circumference is the hoop stress. Okay, so sigma h is equal to pt by 2t it is. Okay, this is sigma maximum. Next is sigma h is 20, pressure is 1 into 1000 divided by 2 times of thickness. So thickness is equal to, this will be 1 into 1000 divided by 2 times of 20, it would be, this is 40. Okay, 40, and this is 0 and 0 is cancelled, so 25, force is 100, so thickness will be equal to 25 mm, that is option A is the answer. So try to attempt the questions in which the numerical or getting the calculated values is little quick. So these easier calculations questions should be attempted in the very first hour of the examination.